Vein Finder provides a real-time accurate image of patient's superficial vein pattern on the skin, help medical staff observe vein structure, then evaluate best puncture position. The standard configuration of production consists of aluminum storage box, vein finder, and charger, etc. Blue LED indicator on power button will blink when battery low. How to charge vein finder? Connect the charger with AC power and insert the charging cable into the bottom port of the device. Then you find the indicator turn red. When battery is fully charged, the indicator turn green. In order to get a good vein image of the patient, keep the distance between vein finder and skin at around 20 centimeters. This distance can be adjusted appropriately according to a real scenario. Then we find in the characters in the project image is clear. How to power on vein finder? Short press power button. If short press this button again, device will be off. Two display modes include Sport and Enhance. Default setting is Sport mode for locating vein quickly. Short press mode button can switch to Enhance mode, which is used for viewing finer image details of smaller veins and deeper veins, especially for the pediatrics, fat patients, and edema patients. 5 degrees of brightness can help medical staff to get a best image in different surrounding lights. Short press the brightness button, we can change the brightness. Inverse mode help device adapt to different skin conditions and medical staff's preference. Short press the inverse button can inverse the image. 3 kinds of image size can suit adult, children, infant, are also helpful when medical staff need concentrate on particular area. We can change the size by short press the size button. 7 colors for meeting the individual requirements of medical staffs and scenarios. We can change the color by short press the color button. Short press sleep button, enter low power standby mode. How to wake up device? Short press this button again. The default setting is device enter standby mode automatically if no operation for 10 minutes. Long press sleep button for 3 seconds. Will cancel timer function, which be shown character timer in top left of project image display. Option 1. Stable stand. Support angle rotate and height adjust. Option 2. Mobile stand. Angle rotatable. Height adjustable by a wide margin.